see that stud? You see, oh, that's me, but if you see yourself in the mirror, that's a stud right there. That's a good looking dude, and I'm not acting like your mom, right? Your mom says you're attractive and you're cute because she loves you. I'm telling you you're attractive, but it's because you don't even realize it yet. See, you're attractive because you are self-aware. The most attractive thing that you can do is become self-aware. In other words, what are your defaults? Where are you lacking? For example, for me, when I was growing up, it was always I was too skinny. Because I was too skinny, I had a big ass head. So what did I have to do? All right, we gotta hit the gym. We gotta go to the gym. We gotta put on muscle. We gotta pack on some mass to balance out proportions. This is just being self-aware. Next, all right, I dress like a doofus, right? I wasn't wearing the right clothes that suited my body shape. So what did I do? Shoot, I created a whole brand around this stuff. All to make sure I was wearing and using the right fits for my body frame to highlight my best features and hide my worst features. Being self-aware is one of the best ways to become more attractive, which exactly rolls us on to number 2. You dress good. Look, if you're subscribed to this channel, I'm gonna go on and say you're probably a stylish dude. You're putting on the right fits. Too many guys are going out wearing those cheap graphic tees that are all worn out and stretched out, paired with some basketball shorts because they don't care about how they look. I know that's not you, especially because, you already know you can be comfortable and look dressed up at the same time. For example, you see this right here. This is our new polo shirt that's dropping July 23rd for Essentials. I designed this with that intent in mind. It's oversized. So it's an oversized, long sleeve knitted polo. That looks money. Tell me that doesn't look money. That looks like I really tried, yet I'm comfortable in an oversized fit. Do you understand the complexity of that? See, that's what I was saying. Because I was so self-aware and I knew I wasn't getting the right pieces in the market, I built my own brand. I built up Essentials to design those key pieces that fit right on the body, that don't take any effort and look good. Boys, we're dropping July 23rd finally. It's been hell to get product in. I know I've missed our last Q2 launch and we're finally getting product in. This new knitted polo shirt that comes in 4 colors. It's going to fly. Easily one of our best designed polo shirts, but here is the bad news. It's our smallest launch we've ever done. I'm being brutally honest with you. Like, we did not order as much inventory because it was the only way we were going to airship, because it's airship. That's the only way we're able to get it fast enough. If we would have done freight by sea, we're looking at 90, 120 days on top just for shipping alone. So the only way to get it in here in the next week or so is air shipping, which means the load is not as big. The inventory amount is not as large. It's probably one of our smallest launches, which should tell you one thing. If I were you, if you want to pick this piece up, or the new tech dress pants, or the new backpack, which I'm telling you, bro, it's going to fly. The best thing you can do, put a reminder on your phone. July 23rd, 10 a.m. Eastern. When that reminder sets, bro, you got to be one of the first ones there. I promise you, this will fly. It's a small launch, which means by the time you log on, the stuff that you want will probably be gone if you're not there and if pro members have not snatched it up. This polo shirt, bro, there's no way you can let this launch go by without picking up this polo shirt. Number 3, look at people's behaviors. Like I said, you're probably attractive. Look at how they behave around you. A lot of times it might seem a little bit off. If you notice people act awkward around you, especially girls, it's not that they don't like you, it's that you're probably really attractive. And if you got the first 2, right, that self-awareness and confidence, that style, when you step into a room, obviously they're gonna feel a little bit uncomfortable. You're gonna notice them preening themselves, standing taller, trying to look as good as you to come to your level. Which takes us on to number 4. Some people will care like they don't act. See, there's this trend going on TikTok, and I love it because it's opening guys' eyes up. Where you'll see girls say like, oh, this is what happens when I don't find you attractive. And what they basically do is that they'll smile at you, they'll be friendly with you because they don't care about you. In other words, they don't care what you think, so they'll act comfortably. However, when it's an attractive person, now they're serious, right? Now it's almost like they have an RBF, they have a stank face on, right? It's neutral. Why? Because now they care about how you look. Now they know that you're attractive and they care about what you think, and they don't want you knowing that they think that you're attractive, that they kind of like you. So what do? They act indifferent. They act like, so look out for that. If a lot of people always act a little indifferent, like they're like checking you out or sizing you up, or almost like they have low-key beef with you. They don't got beef with you. The beef is that you're too attractive. 5, people will start a conversation about anything with you. When you notice people always liking to start those small talk conversations with you about anything, about the weather, about what you wear, about what you're eating, it doesn't matter what it is. The more random it is, the higher the chances are that you're an attractive person and people just like talking to you. Which finally rolls us on to number 6. You just get dates, bro. Look, listen, it's a tough market out there, which means if you're still lining up dates every week, at least every month, every 2 weeks, it should tell you one thing. At least physically, you are what people want. You have the features that are desirable in the dating market, which means you are probably attractive. Now, I don't know what happens once you do land on those dates, if the partner is right or if you act weird. I don't know about any of that. What I can tell you is that if you're still lining up dates, especially through social media, through DMs, through dating apps, this is a good sign you're an attractive dude. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Like I'm telling you, you're pretty attractive. You're just not realizing it, bro. Peace out.